Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If A, B, C are in harmonic progression and AB plus BC plus CA equal to 15, then we have to find CA. CA is okay. So what is given? A, B, C. Three numbers are in harmonic progression. If A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then B is equal to formula 2AC by A plus C. Okay. Let us do cross product. BA plus BC equal to 2AC. But what is given? AB plus BC plus CA value given. Given AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 15. Okay. Adding AC on both sides, it will going to be AB plus BC plus CA equal to 2AC plus AC. 2AC plus AC is equal to 3AC. But AB plus BC plus CA value from statement, this value 15. 15 is equal to 3AC. So 1 3 get cancelled on both sides. Therefore, A is equal to AC equal to 5. Therefore, AC equal to 5. So what is the answer? AC or CA? Answer is 5. This condition is most important. B is equal to 2AC by A plus C. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 2. If 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus and so on up to infinity equal to pi square by 16 given, then the value of 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on up to infinity. Okay, in the statements what are given? One condition is given. So let us take this condition. 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square and so on up to infinity equal to pi square by 16. Okay. So let us take 1 by 1 square, 1 by 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square like 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on up to infinity. Plus in remaining terms 1 2 take out common, 1 by 2 square take out common, 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 2 square take out common, it will going to be 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus and so on equal to pi square by 16. So this is the required. Okay, 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square one by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on up to infinity plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 square value 1 by 4 into this value given from statement pi square by 16. Okay, pi square by 16 is equal to pi square by 16. So this positive value bring the right side, it will going to be 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on up to infinity equal to. So 1 pi square by 16 take out common, 1 minus this one plus 1 by 4 bring the right side minus 1 by 1 by 4 times of pi square by 16 bring the right side. It will going to be pi square by 16. So pi square by 16, just 1 minute. Pi square by 16 minus 1 by 4 times of pi square by 16. In this one pi square by 16 take out common 1 minus 1 by 4. So pi square by 16 into it will be 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 answer is 3 pi square by 16. 64. Three pi square by 60, 16 4 is 64. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. If 1 by 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 3 to the power 4 and so on up to infinity is equal to pi square by pi to the power 4 by 90. Then 1 by 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the power 4 and so on up to infinity is. Okay. So let us take given condition. This is the given condition. 1 by 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the power 4 plus 1 by 6 to the power 4 plus up to infinity equal to pi to the power 4 by 90 given. Okay. So let us take this 1 by 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the power 4 plus and so on infinity that is required. 1 by 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the power 4 and so on up to infinity. This is required. In remaining terms, 1 2 to the power 4 take out common. It will going to be 1 plus 1 by 2 to the power 4. It will be 1 by 3 to the power 4 and so on infinity equal pi to the power 4 by 90. Okay. So it will going to be, this is required. 1 by 1 to the power 4, 1 by 3 to the power 4, 1 by 5 to the power 4, and so on up to infinity. This is the required. Plus 1 by 2 to the power 4. So 1 by 2 to the power 4 is 1 by 16. 1 by 16 into this value already from statement, this value given. This value is pi to the power 4 by 90 is equal to pi to the power 4 by 90. This positive value bring the right side. So what is required? 1 by 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 5 to the power 4 and so on infinity equal to 1 pi to the power 4 by 90 take out common 1 minus 1 by 16. So pi to the power 4 by 90 into it value will be 15 by 16. 15 1 day, 15 4 they get cancelled. With 15 6 they get cancelled. So pi to the power 4 by 96. Okay. Pi to the power 4 by 16 6 is 96. So pi to the power 4 by 96 correct answer. Okay, moving to next question. If A, B, C are in geometric progression, then we have to find B minus A by B minus A by B minus C and B plus A by B plus C. Okay. If A, B, C are in geometric progression, if A, B, C are in geometric progression, what is the condition? B square is equal to AC. Okay. What is required? The required is B minus A by B minus C plus B plus A by B plus C. So let us do LCM B minus C into B plus C. It will going to be B minus A into B plus C plus b plus a into b minus. So this is nothing but b minus a into b plus c. It will going to be b square plus bc minus ab plus minus ac. So it will going to be b square minus ac plus ab minus ac minus bc. Okay, minus bc by, this is minus bc, by b minus c into b plus c, b square minus c square. In this one, bc get cancelled as well as ab. So b square plus b square 2 times of b square minus ac minus 2ac. 1 2 take out common, b square minus ac by b square minus c square 2 times of b square minus ac. B square value we have ac. ac minus ac by b square minus c square, it will going to be 0. Since b square is equal to ac. Okay. What is the answer? 0 answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.